We'll guide you through how to update Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's a good idea to go and keep Windows 11 up to date because there's going to go and be new features, bug fixes, security fixtures, and more. So it's a good idea to go and do this. And we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's a full video as we're covering important steps throughout this whole video. So to get started, make sure you're connected to the internet. You can see down here, I'm currently connected to Wi-Fi. Now that we're connected, this is needed, of course, because we're downloading the update potentially. So make sure you're connected. If you aren't, you can go and click on this here, and then you can go and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on, press the arrow here and choose a network you want to go and connect to. Then once you're connected to the internet, you can go down to the bottom and find the Windows Start button, or you can press it on your keyboard. This will open up and you want to come into settings. Then you want to come over to the left and you want to go and find the option for Windows Update. As you can see, if your settings is smaller, you may need to go and scroll down. For example, like this, scroll down and you can find Windows Update. Now we can go over to the right here. You can see currently this is up to date, but you can go and press check for updates like so, and it will go and do a check. Just go and wait for this to go and complete. It shouldn't go and take too long. The time this takes does vary depending upon your internet connection and other things like that. You can see in this case it's up to date. If there was one available, we could then go and download and install it. In this case, I could go and download this one here. I can go and press download like so, and then you can go and wait for this to go and complete. The time this takes will go and depend upon your internet connection and the size of the update, but you can go and see the progress here. Once it goes and completes, we can then go and install it. There'll be a restart button on this page. You can then press on it and it will go and start restarting your computer. And when it restarts, it's going to go and install the update, getting it to the update you just went and downloaded. So it's a really straightforward and easy process. And so that'll be it. Your computer will then be up to date and you can go and continue using it and enjoy the new features and fixes that it brings. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post guides like this every single day, so I'm sure we'll be able to help you again. I look forward to catching you in the next one. We can help you out with your next problem. Have a great day and leave any suggestions down below. Thank you for watching.